Are you sick and weary of believing that you must trade in your cherished gas guzzler for a pricey electric vehicle? But what if you could convert your car into a hybrid at a much lower price? That's exactly what an innovative Australian design student has done. This is not some fantastical idea. Rather, it's a workable retrofit that may provide millions of people with affordable access to electric driving. Come along as we investigate this cutting-edge technology in this video. Alexander Burton, an RMIT University innovator, was recently recognized with a distinguished prize for his innovative invention, the REV Rapid Electric Vehicle Retrofit System. This system's most amazing feature is that it can supposedly be installed in a single day, saving you from having to make many trips to the mechanic. According to Burton, the price can be as low as $3,200, which is a substantial reduction from the outrageous cost of a brand new electric vehicle. It makes sense that when you hear of Burton's creation, you might be dubious. But the creator isn't just babbling platitudes. He is creating a sleek, powerful, liquid-cooled 50 kilowatts electric motor that fits between your car's brake disc and wheel with great diligence. This is an essential part of the system. Imagine it as a tiny electric engine that revitalizes your worn-out vehicle and lowers its carbon footprint. The car industry's slow adoption of electric technology makes the need for this development clear. However, there is still a massive barrier to overcome. The vast majority of gas-powered vehicles on the road won't go away overnight. REV might hold the key to enabling vehicle owners to participate in the electric revolution at a reasonable price. How does REV work, and what exactly makes it the driving force of the future? The motor design of the REV is the key component that makes it successful. The motor is essentially what you would imagine when you see a pancake. This engine, which goes by the name of axial flux motor, is not your typical engine. It is a round, flat device that fits easily into the wheel hub of your car. It produces torque by rotating another circular disc inside of it. The force that drives your wheels forward is this twisted energy. Convenient construction makes the installation of the motor simple. Although every automobile type will need a different adapter plate, Burton tells us it won't be too difficult. It will be similar to having a personalized phone cover for your engine. Furthermore, according to Burton, you can be driving in as little as 10 minutes after the powertrain is installed. What about the other electrical parts then? Burton is well versed in this. Does that spare tire take up any room in your trunk? It's time to say goodbye to it. That space will be used by REV for a motor controller and battery pack, which is essentially a replacement procedure. The motor controllers and battery pack serve as the brains behind your electric vehicle. Burton reassures us that the final say in the matter is yours. If you can't fathom your life without a spare tire, then by all means retain it. Although this battery pack isn't enormous, it has a lot of power. Burton estimates that its energy storage capacity is approximately 15 kWh, or 62 miles of all-electric driving, including frequent stop-and-go traffic made possible by regenerative braking, the clever feature that stores energy during deceleration. Even more driving range may be achieved, so the battery should be adequate for the majority of people's daily commutes. The fact that REV doesn't require significant modifications to your automobile is its strongest feature. When needed, you can continue to use your outdated gasoline engine, or you can flip a switch to electric power. It all comes down to giving you the flexibility to choose your driving style depending on the circumstances. What happens if you're driving in electric mode smoothly, and your car needs energy for the regular 12V parts, like the radio and headlights? Do not worry. The massive battery pack in the REV configuration acts as an extremely powerful ally, making sure that your standard 12V battery is kept charged, even in the event that the gasoline engine fails. Vital components like air conditioning, heating, power steering, and brakes may have electronic replacements or power boosters installed by REV. This is a complete conversion kit that provides cars with an additional boost of electrical power when needed. Bird intends to combine the REV system with the vehicle's accelerator pedal, potentially by tracking the foot's pressure on the pedal through the use of sensors. Similar to hybrid vehicles, this data will control regenerative braking and acceleration. To guarantee abrupt stops, the factory brakes will continue to function independently. Bird is presently working on the specifics of the integration. Because REV's electric motor only rotates in one direction, it cannot be used to reverse. When the automobile is placed in reverse, A new automatic mechanism will be incorporated to deactivate the electric motor. As a result, the gas engine will be able to help with parking. A dashboard display for battery life will not be included in the basic Raver conversion. A phone can be used to obtain diagnostics, but simplicity is still the key priority. Burton stressed that the Raver system is made to be a retrofit with no environmental impact, which makes car changes simple. He likened it to putting a Lego kit in your engine. Most of the components are easy to install and blend in perfectly with your existing setup. In order to make Raver compatible with as many vehicles as possible and enable as many people to embrace the electric revolution, Burton has also defined a list of target cars, which includes well-known brands like the Corolla, Accord, Civic, and even BMW. The Raver system is easy for skilled mechanics to install. Although some car owners might be put off by the expense of the kit, Burton aims to lower the price to under $5,400 through mass production and lower material costs. The legitimacy of Raver's electric conversion depends on overcoming regulatory obstacles, although the company might provide assistance in doing so. Raver wants to work with other people and do more than just modify the well-liked Toyota Corolla. 1 million cars converted is their long-term objective, and interested supporters and investors have already expressed interest. Although the Raver system increases torque, its designers place a high premium on safety. The first kits will be basic, requiring no extensive car surgery, and utilizing a 15 kWh battery pack. Raver imagines a time when people will be able to replace their gas engine with the Raver electric system. Raver's modular architecture makes it possible to modify and accommodate a larger battery at a lower cost than switching to a conventional electric car. Thus, it is feasible to create an inexpensive all-electric vehicle. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel, like it, and share it. I appreciate you watching.